Hello and welcome to the PT Board tutorial video for school year rollover. Please note, if this is your first year using PT Board, you do not need to roll over to the next school year. This feature is designed for schools who use PT Board for over a year and would like to archive the content on the site from previous school years. Each year, schools may have different sets of classes and users, so PT Board will keep all the class and group names, but administrators will need to reassign users to their corresponding classes and groups for the new school year. Once you start the rollover process, you cannot undo, so please do not roll over until the current school year is over. You should only roll over once the school year has ended and before the new school year starts. To begin the rollover process, please uncheck all graduating classes or grades to remove them from your school for the next school year. The rest of the users, including administrators, will be moved over to the next school year. For the new school year, announcement, sign-up, form, directory, and class information will start fresh. To complete this process, please click the Manage Class button to review and update all classes for the new school year. The previous school year's announcements, sign-ups, forms, and directory will be archived, so you can always view this content by clicking the Switch School link at the top of the webpage. If you would like to copy a sign-up or form from the previous school year to save time, you may do so by using the Copy feature by clicking Make a Copy. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions, please email us at info@ptboard.com.